To be fair, in the last 6 months I've started snoring. And I know that's annoying. I've slept next to people that have snored before and that is f***ing annoying. But I gotta tell you guys, as the person who snores, it's really hard as well. Because you don't hear any of the snoring. You just get woken up every half an hour by an hysterical, angry person a foot away from you in the bed hitting you. Shut the f*** up! And you're like, what? You shut the f*** up! I wasn't snoring, you were! You shut up! That's stupid! You're stupid! Why did I even marry you stupid? I'm just trying to sleep like a normal person and you hit me.